Good evening. Namaste. Hi, everyone.
Good evening,
Welcome.
sir.
Good evening. Namaste.
Evening, sir.
Namaste. Hi, hi. Welcome to this short, unique session. Normally, we used to conduct career awareness program, and we have already sent some posters about the last date, but still, there is a possibility that some people would have missed the train, or some people may have a confusion. That's why we are going to have this short session. First of all, I welcome each one of you to the session, including the YouTube viewers. Anybody has any doubt, at the end, you can always ask the question. So let's start the session. And if anybody want me to speak in Hindi, कन्नड़ में बात करना है, हिंदी में बात करना है, कन्नड़ದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಕು, I can comfortably speak, but mainly we'll keep our session in English. Whenever there is a necessity, Hindi, Kannada use कर सकते हैं. Hi. So welcome to this session conducted by CAPS, the premier coaching center, which was started 24 years back in Bangalore, the oldest CA coaching center with a difference, with the most affordable fees, with the highest quality of education. We started the same in 2001. So from November 2024, we are going to start our Silver Jubilee celebration. So I welcome each one of you to the session. Myself, Shetty Sir, Munkur, I'm called. We are having just around 15 qualifications as of now, including CA, CMA, LLB, MA. So if IFR also, UK. Fine. Without wasting much time, I'll just take you to the course. So just to tell you, I'll not take too much of the time about the content, because next coming Tuesday, we are going to have a elaborative session on career awareness, various options in commerce, CA mein kya hota hai, all those. So CA, as of now, the number one commerce course in the world, not just in India, number one. Okay, so in India, my personal opinion, it may be different as far as your personal opinion is concerned. CA is the number one, IIM MBA is number two, maybe company secretary is number three, and other degrees to follow. So best course under the sky, least cost and high return. So there are three exams. First one is called CA Foundation. CA Foundation has got 4 subjects, 2 subjects descriptive, 2 subjects MCQ. Then intermediate has got 6 subjects. CA final also has got 6 subjects. Never in the history of CA course since 1949, CA was as easy as the way it is now. The reason is, so number of subjects have been reduced, and best thing is inter and final, 30% MCQ has been added with no negative mark. So all the 6 subjects, inter and final, 30% MCQ with no negative marks. This is the beauty of CA course. So foundation 4 subjects, inter 6 subjects, and CA final 6 subjects. That's it. Then you are supposed to work under a chartered accountant for 2 years. That's called articleship. So stipend also has been increased in Bangalore, around 6 to 10,000 rupees stipend per month you are able to get. There is also a good earnings while learning just before your CA final. Fair enough. So foundation, 4 subjects. All those who have studied 11th and 12th across India. Okay, what we call it as a PUC in Karnataka. So 11th and 12th across India. So first 2 papers, okay, accounts almost same across India, 11th and 12th. Business law is little in depth of business studies, or commerce subject, whatever you say. And MCQs, that is objectives, they will give you 4 options. Quantitative aptitude. Many people think CA is maths. CA is not maths. Only at foundation, that too for 40 marks, we have maths. Barring that, nowhere we have maths. Intermediate, 0 maths. CA final, 0 maths. And in foundation, assuming I love maths, I can get 40 out of 40. Assuming I don't like maths, even if I get 0 in maths, I can still pass, because there is one more easy subject called statistics for 40 marks and logical reasoning for 20 marks. So out of 60, if you get 40 also, you can clear. And one more subject is called economics, which is again MCQ, multiple choice question for 100 marks. Now, all those who are in 11th and 12th, kindly go through the syllabus. So one of the biggest advantage of taking CA foundation when you are in 11th, 12th, or when you are in BCom is almost same thing what you studied in 11th and 12th, you are learning at a CA foundation. Introduction, journal ledger, BRS, maybe inventory, maybe something new. depreciation commonly learned, bills of exchange many people will learn, final accounts, NPO, some places it is there, some places may not be there. A single entry mostly at 11th and 12th may not be there. Partnership and company account, ditto 11th and 12th. So many people who say that CA is tough without knowing the syllabus, I wanted to tell you that it is nothing but your 11th and 12th syllabus, absolutely same syllabus. Now moving on. The second subject, it is little in-depth of whatever you study in business studies or commerce. So maybe number of partners in a firm, number of shareholders, private limited company, public limited company, all those things what you learn, same thing you'll be learning in law. Next, look at this. Those who don't like maths, this is almost your high school level, 8th, 9th, 10th levels syllabus, little in-depth. Okay, you love maths, you can study this. We don't have too high fund of science maths. Very finance related maths only we learn. 20 marks logical reasoning. Name sounds new, but it is not. It is easiest of the three subjects here. So maths 40 marks, logical reasoning for 20 marks, and statistics 40 marks. Statistics is IQ syllabus at 11th and 12th, same syllabus. So whoever generally says CA is tough syllabus, questions will be out of syllabus. All these are rubbish statement. All these are similar to whatever has been there in the 11th and 12th and lifted from the study material. And economics, ditto micro and macro economics of 11th, 12th of BCom syllabus. Right. This is about syllabus content. CA intermediate, there are 6 subjects. Nowhere you can see maths, information technology. They removed all those. Advanced accounting, there is nothing but advanced accounts. Law, income tax and GST. Cost and management accounting, auditing, FM and SM. CA final again accounts, it's called financial reporting. Then advanced financial management, auditing, DT, then IDT, and integrated business solution. Here again, if you ask me, it is only 5.5 subject because the 6th subject is the merger of all these 5 subjects. And CA final, 30% MCQ, inter and final, with no negative marking and 70% descriptive in both CA inter and final. Very important. The objective of this session. Who should join this foundation? So very important. Who should register on or before 1st September? Whoever is in 11th, first PUC means 11th standard. Second PUC means 12th standard. 13th and 14th across India language, if I have to say pan India. 11th, 12th, 13th and 14th. So whatever name you give, 11th, 12th, 13th and 14th. All of you should register for CA Foundation. Now interesting, when should I register? All those who are in 13th and 14th, that is basically graduation, they must register before this Sunday. Before this Sunday, 1st September. So they must register for January 25 exam. Whereas, no, sir, I want to write in June 25, I can register later. Those who are in 11th standard, do not register in CA Institute now. You still have 1.5 years to go. Those who are 12th standard also, you don't have an urgency to register now. You can register after 2-3 months, but 4 months before an exam. Effectively, it falls in 31st January. But nevertheless, I think somewhere in November, December, all those who are in 12th, you register. I repeat, those who are in 11th, you do not have to register with CA Institute. I repeat, there are 2 registrations we'll be speaking today. One is about CA Institute registration. One is about CAPS, our institution registration. CAPS registration, I'll come a little later. As far as CA Institute registration is concerned, you who has to register 11th standard students do not register now. You can register next year. 12th standard students can register maybe by November or December 2024 for your June 25 exam. Because all those who are in 12th standard, you can write your CA foundation exam only after your 12th exam. Whereas those who are in first BCom, first BBA, first BSc, first BA, any graduation course, okay, ಅಥವಾ 13th degree, 13th ಅಥವಾ 14th class, okay, across India if you have to talk, what's called BCom, BBA, BAc, BA, anybody, all those have to register immediately. Tomorrow is suggested, maximum by Sunday. So my suggestion is register by tomorrow so that you do not miss the link. 6 months, you don't waste your time. Now, some of you say, no, sir, I'm preparing for June 25 examination. So you register now. Who knows, after 2-3 months of preparation, you feel that I'm comfortable to write in Jan 25, you can write. No, sir, I register now, but I still want to write in June 25, absolutely fine. So if you register now, it is valid for next 3 years. Whenever you want to write the exam, you can write. Whereas if you do not register tomorrow, if you do not register, if you do not register by tomorrow day after, then you cannot write in Jan 25. So my suggestion to all those who are in first BCom, those who are in second BCom, they must register for CA Foundation. Some of you are wondering, sir, why you are missing 15th grade or why are you missing final BCom? I have something else to talk. Okay, I'll talk later. So tomorrow and day after, maximum by 1st September 2024, all those who are in 13th grade or 14th grade across India must register with the ICAI. With the ICAI. So then those who are in 11th, you don't have to register now. Those who are in 12th, you can register by November, December. Right. So who should register for the next? Directly, who can go to CA Inter? Whoever has passed foundation, yes, you can register with the CA Inter. And those who are in final BCom, you have time. You don't have to register tomorrow only. You have got little extra time. So those who are in final year BCom, or 15th degree, BCom, BBA, BSc, whatever, as long as you've got a decent percentage in BCom, they say commerce graduate is 55%, others with 60%. So whoever is getting first class in BCom, you do not have to do the foundation. You can directly go for CA intermediate. So those who are in final BCom, do not waste your time in registering for foundation, writing foundation, and wasting your time. You can directly go for intermediate. And very important, my friends who are in final BCom, or your friends who are in final BCom, tell them to start CA journey along with final BCom, because most of the universities across India, your final BCom syllabus and intermediate syllabus is almost same. When you prepare for BCom, little extra you prepare, your inter is done. Or when you prepare for CA inter, BCom you don't have to study at all. That is the way CA syllabus is covered. So I repeat, all those who are in 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, they have to go through CA foundation. Those who are entering final BCom now, those who are entering 15th grade, they do not have to go for foundation. They can directly go for CA intermediate. They have to directly go for CA intermediate. Fine. So now, what is the procedure, okay, for CA foundation registration? We have with us our friend Vishruta Rao, who is a student of CAPS, okay, cleared CA foundation first attempt, CA inter also first attempt, both the group in one shot. She just entering second BCom, so she's already in CA final. Okay, so she is going to give the insight about how to go about with the registration, etc., for the CA foundation. And if you require, this slide is there, ma. You can use this slide, Shruta.
Sure, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So good evening, everyone.
This is the notification of ICAI about that 4 months before. They don't say 1st September, but that's what it means. Yes, over to you, Shruta.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Good evening, everyone. So I would like everyone to have 4 things in their computer in a folder, which is a class 10th and class 12th marks card, passport size photograph, mobile number, and email ID. If you have all these things, we can proceed. Can everyone give a reaction that you have all this ready with you?
They can keep it ready tomorrow also, no? You can just tell them to keep it ready.
Okay. So then you have to open the that CA Foundation registration portal through Google itself. So once you open that link, so you have to click on the details, whatever the details you'll get name and a few other details like your address and everything that you have to fill, and then you will get an OTP. That OTP you have to generate. That will be generated to your mobile number, and once it is generated to your mobile number, you have to fill the OTP, and then your details will be validated. Okay, after that, after the OTP is generated, they'll ask the address to which you want your books to be delivered. So you have to provide that address. So once you provide that address, then later it will open a qualification portal. So in that qualification portal, your 10th marks card, it is compulsory 12th, whoever has written exam and is waiting for the result also can put your admit card and proceed. That will be a provisional registration. Once you get your marks card, then later you can upload. But same thing does not go with 10th marks card. 10th marks card is mandatory. Okay. Then phone number, please provide your phone number, not your parents' phone number, because if you provide parents' phone number and all, in future it will be a problem. Later, the size of the photo should be less than 1 MB or something, and it should be in a JPG or a JPG something format. Okay, it cannot be in a PDF format. Your marks card should be in a PDF format. Okay, and one more thing, there is a place where you have to enter the signature. Okay, so on a white paper in a black ink pen, you have to sign neatly, and it should not be blurred and all neatly. That also you have to save it in a JPG format, and even that should be within 1 MB. Okay, and after that, they will ask certificate proof of your date of birth. So any document showing that you're verifying your date of birth. Suppose it can be Aadhaar card or even your admit card. If in your admit card the date of birth is mentioned, you can upload that also. So at the end, the payment details will be there. No, there they will ask four things. One is photo, the other one is the signature, and this date of birth thing, and two other things are there which is not relevant for you, that is visa, etc. So after that, they will ask payment. Payment can be done in three ways. You can use Paytm, you can use a debit card or credit card. Paytm is very much easy, so you can go through Paytm also. Debit card and credit card is also available, so whoever has debit card, credit card, you can use debit card, credit card, otherwise Paytm. So this is the procedure. Fees is only 9,000, but 400 they will ask for a journal. If you want the student journal, then you can pay 400 extra. If you don't want the student journal, you don't have to pay 400 extra. Done, sir.
Okay. So thank you so much, Vishnuta, for your wonderful input. Right.
Sorry.
So anyhow, those are confusion. I will be sharing this PDF also. You can just share with us 83102 number. I'll share the number at the end there. So you can always ask for this what do you call it, PDF. We'll be sharing it. Very simple. So ICAI website, you have to enter this portal and they will ask one by one detail. You have to keep filling. Okay. And 10th marks card, 12th marks card, all those which probably you would have given to your college, etc. You have to take it tomorrow for a day without fail and make it as a PDF, and this size what she has mentioned, you have to upload it. 9,000 is the fees as per CNSP. So what is the benefit, okay, of joining CA Foundation when you're in 11th and 12th? So you can see here. So almost everybody who joins Foundation 11th and 12th, their PUC marks, or the 11th and 12th marks, okay, will suddenly increase because the syllabus is same. These are the 5 people, okay. So we got Karnataka's top 10, okay, just because they were doing foundation as well as 11th and 12th together, and all these people have got with the distinction score. That's the advantage of joining CA Foundation along with 11th and 12th. So last year, around 8 students were in Karnataka top 10, okay. So because of the foundation and PU syllabus of the 11th and 12th being common, right? So just to mention about the faculty team, I myself will be teaching accounts with around 25 years of teaching experience. Dr. Rajdeep Manwani, President Award winner. He has been awarded by the President of India, being an inspirational speaker, amazing teacher for law. Then Mehul sir, one of the terrific faculties for other parts of the law. Then ranker by himself, state first rank in 10th, PU ranker, CA ranker, multi-qualified, amazing, impactful maths teacher. CA Foundation, many people say getting 40, 50 maths is difficult. I think after he started teaching, okay, people are getting above 80, 90 regularly. Last time, one gentleman got a 96, Rutvik, okay, All India from Andhra Pradesh, he got 96. Accounts, etc., we normally get above 95, 98, etc. 100 also we got earlier ones, one of the exams, but 90 is a very common, whereas this is the impactful faculties. One more faculty will share part of the accounts is Aman again, terrific faculty with multi-qualification. And gold medalist in economics, okay, Divesri madam, she will be teaching the economics. So June 24, May 24 examination. So 5 students, all India top 50 and with a gold medalist. One special mention is about Mr. Kondaya. So he's from Andhra Pradesh. He's, with due respect, he's a totally blind student, but he's a complete CA from CAPS. One more child, Mehak Fatima. So she's specially able child by birth. She has already cleared 2 stages of CA. Foundation, she cleared inter, all in our all both group in one shot from CAPS. And these 3 kids, all India top 50, recently concluded examination across India. Some people from Karnataka, some from Andhra Pradesh, some from Maharashtra, etc. And anybody wants to have any extra information, you can see this number 83102, which is mentioned here. You can note it down. You can obviously WhatsApp 83102 49327. So this number I chatted also. You can message. We'll be sharing this PDF also. Fine. And apart from this, there are 2 other important information I want to share. The details of the CA course, like what are the various options, etc. So today's session is mainly to tell, please register within 1st September. So then on Tuesday evening at 7:30, we have a unique session about what is CA. I'll go in little detail about what is CA Foundation, what is CA Inter, etc. And September 5th, we'll be starting CA Foundation and CA Inter. CA Foundation classes will happen in our institute in the evening, 5:30 to 8:30 or 9 o'clock. If you want offline, you should be in Bangalore only. But we do not suggest anybody to get into offline now, because the way we teach online, like see, many of you are not switched on the video. Now, if you see the Vishnuta has switched on the video, like the way, if you can switch on the video, it is same like the way she has kept the video on. You can also keep the video on and we will be able to teach more impactful. Compulsory nahi hai video on karna, but on kiya to acha hai, on kiya to. So online results are 2 times better than a offline result. May 24, you'll be surprised to know CA Inter, we produce all India 90% plus results. 90% result. Even I was shocked. Normally 60 to 80% we used to produce, but this time it was terrific result. So online is strongly recommended, but nevertheless, no sir, offline chahiye, then you have to come to Bangalore. Second point. Online, how does it happen? Like the way we are talking now. No doubt today we would not be, may not be interacting because you are new to me, I am new to you. But after that, we'll be interacting in the class and we'll be discussing, telling the jokes, all those things will happen. Okay. And we'll enjoy the sessions. Online will happen in Zoom platform. Evening, 2 sessions will happen, 1.5 hour, 1.5 hour, 2 sessions with a break, 10 to 15 minutes. Then we will have 3 to 3.5 hours classes. Like, unlike so many places where they will do morning to evening class, it is not required. So 3.5 months classes without disturbing your 11th, 12th or BCom college. Aaram se karo. You complete your 11th, 12th or BCom, come home, have a cup of coffee, tea, sit at home, enjoy the classes, 3 to 3.5 months. And we'll do the regular class, we'll do the revision class, exam session, everything will take care. And you have to just attend the sessions. And we have kept the fees as low as 15,100, 15,100, okay, 15,100 across India. The reason is we want to empower India. We want to contribute to Edu Bharat. That's the reason we have kept the fees low. Our fees may be 1/3 of other institution fees across India. Quality is definitely 3 or 4 times better than that. So, for example, Vishnuta Foundation, she did somewhere else. She was not aware. When she came to CAPS, then she realized, how was your experience, ma? Vishnuta? Coming to
Sir,
CAPS?
best, sir. Best.
Yeah.
Best.
So this is how actually we'll give the education. And Tuesday we'll have a session. All of you join. So whether you want to continue CA or not, see, then again after that, Thursday onwards, we'll give 1 week demo sessions also, just to see how the classes happen. So you can register. Obviously, once you attend the class, nobody will miss out our institution. Nevertheless, if you have any apprehension, hoga kya nahi, agutta ilva, then in that case, you can come for 1 week demo sessions. So foundation classes, so I repeat, those who, okay, for all of you, whether you're 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, for all of you, CA foundation class will start from September 5th. So I repeat this point. CA Institute registration, 11th and 12th people need not have to do now. You have time. 13th and 14th people must do it within 2 days. Next, CA foundation classes for all those who are in 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th will start from September 5th. 11th people, they can join September to December batch. Then January to March, they can fully focus on their 11th exam. Then next year, again, when they're in 12th, they can join the CA Foundation without extra cost. It is a public YouTube live program, I'm telling. Okay. We have never charged anybody second time fees as long as you are regular in the first batch. If you're irregular in the first batch, then we will be thinking about it. If you're regular, we'll give you free education second time also. So 11th standard student, you can join now. Again, one more batch when you're in 12th. And after that, fully focus on 12th. Maybe you can get a concerned state rank. And after your 12th, we do the revision classes. And June, you write your foundation and clear in one shot. Those who are in 12th, September again, this September only you should join. So 11th people also. Normally, so May batch, 11th standard students, we don't entertain. Whereas September batch, 11th standard students can join, 12th standard students can join. 12th standard students, September to December, your foundation class will happen. Then January to March, don't touch CA books, fully focus on 12th, top score in 12th exam. Then April, May, we do the revision. June, you write a CA foundation exam. Many people think, sir, hoga kya? My dear friend, it is more better. Many people, you have seen the photo there, okay? Whoever has joined from 11th and 12th, they got 12th rank also, they got a CA Foundation All India rank also. If you can see the photo, okay, Suyakta Bhatt, I think, which is here. You joined when you were in 11th. So 12th also, you were the All India, sorry, Karnataka State top 10 and All India top 50 also you got. So it is better when you join CA Foundation when you're in 11th and 12th. So 11th people join on coming September 5th, that's Thursday. So you can attend one more batch when you're in second PU freely. 12th people join again on September and this September and January, February, March fully focus on 12th exam. After that revision class, June you can write. 13th people, 14th people, okay, or in 13th grade or the 14th grade, join September batch. You can either write in January or you can write in June, whichever you want. You will also get a 2 batches and revision classes accordingly. Whoever is in final BCom, do not join foundation. Don't even register with CA Institute as of now. Okay. So foundation people register. Whoever has passed foundation, you have registered with the CA Institute intermediate. I hope all of you are registered. Okay. Register immediately so that you are eligible for the next May examination. So you register immediately. Next May you are eligible. Those who have passed foundation. Those who are in final BCom, you can register now or you can register a little later. So September 5th morning, we have classes. 6:45 to 9:25, we have intermediate classes. You can attend that classes and 1 week demo sessions, you can look into it. So foundation classes are only in the evening, 5:30 to 8:30, okay, Zoom live. CA inter class will happen in the morning, 6:45 to 8:45. Then you can go to the college. Some of you want to go at 8:30 also, you can go. Because both foundation, inter and final, whatever Zoom class happens, we'll also give you YouTube access 24 hours. So if you could not attend that day's class, you can always cover in 24. So एक बार class में होता है Zoom, plus you will also get a 24 hours YouTube access also. So with that, comfortably you can do it. And mainly my final BCom friends, they must join September batch, September 24 batch, so that they can comfortably attend 2 batches of CA intermediate. And by the time you complete your final BCom, you would have finished your CA inter also. Maybe by next May, June, you complete your final BCom. By next September, you can complete your intermediate. And next 2 years, you can complete your 2.5 years, you can complete your CA final also. Are you clear? I hope all of you are reasonably clear. I conclude, whoever is in 11th, 12th, you don't have to register with CA Institute now. Whoever is in 13th, 14th, please register within 2 days. Whatever information you want, we will share it now. So that you are eligible for Jan 25. You don't want to write in Jan 25, you can write in June 25 also. Anytime you can write. Whereas of those who are in final BCom, do not register for foundation. Next, those who are in final BCom or who have finished foundation, directly they have to go to the direct entry intermediate syllabus. Okay. So CAPS classes, 11th standard, 12th standard, 13th and 14th. CA foundation will start on September 5th, 5:30. In the evening it will start. Okay. So you can register and come, or you can obviously come for 1 week demo session and then you can decide. Same way, CA intermediate classes for those who are in final BCom as well as those who have completed foundation will start from September 5th in the morning. Our foundation fees is 15,100. CA intermediate fees is 34,100. The most affordable fees across India. Yes. So if anybody has any doubt, Uma Nair, madam, namaste. Namaste, madam. She is from Mumbai. Madam, namaste. You're able to hear me, madam?
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Madam, you are able to understand whatever I spoke till now?
Yes, yes, I understood, sir.
Yes,
I
madam.
understood.
Any questions you have, you can ask, madam. I think your students are also there.
Yeah, sir. And as of now, everything is fine, sir. I understood everything now.
Understood everything. Okay, fine.
Yes.
Yes, yes. Thank you so much for joining and ensuring
welcome,
that your
sir.
students are also.
Thank you for joining us, sir.
Thank you. So nice of you. Yes. Anybody has any doubt, any question, you can always ask. And trust me, the classes will happen more lively, more interactive, okay, with lot of fun, okay. Since it is a public program, we are not getting to all those things, but come and enjoy. You can always enjoy the classes. That's what I can assure you. Yeah. So in between, if anybody, has any doubt, please ask. So we'll be able to entertain you. Yeah. Anybody has any doubt, you can always ask. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು, ಹಿಂದಿ में पूछ सकते हैं, okay. English you can ask. In between some extra gyan, if is interested. Yeah. So for every human being, so instead of jokes, I thought I'll give some gyan. Odama, Shruta.
Yes, sir. 6 types of rest everyone needs. Mental rest. Take a break from thinking. Try meditation or a quiet walk. Physical rest. Rest your body. Sleep well. Stretch. Exercise gently or just relax. Emotional rest. Be true to your feelings. Say no when you are tired. Social rest. Recharge alone or with close friends. Avoid large gatherings. Spiritual rest. Find meaning. Practice mindful or spend time in nature. Sensory rest. Unplug from screens. Enjoy some quiet time.
So just for fun, I don't know whether you understood or not. Just relax and chill, isn't it? Yeah. Anybody has any doubt, any question to ask, you can always ask. ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ doubt ಇದೆಯಾ? किसी को भी doubt है? Anybody has any question? You can always ask. Unmute and ask. I think unmute option is available to all of you. Unmute option is available. You can always ask. ಯಾರಿಗ doubt ಇದೆಯಾ? ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ doubt ಉಂಟಾ? किसी को भी doubt है? Question है? सबको समझ में आ गया? So 11th, 13th and 14th people, please register by tomorrow. And tomorrow day after, and don't keep it for day after, because Sunday, no, again some technical issues. And Tuesday evening we'll have a special session on career virus. So please join. Okay, if anybody wants the link 83102, you can always chat. We'll be sharing that link. And from Thursday morning we'll have inter classes starting. Inter foundation we'll have evening classes. Okay, that's it. Anybody has any doubt? Doubt is Manasa? Yes, Manasa. Yes. See, I called Manasa. She's ready with the doubt. Yes, madam.
Sir, ICAI registration is doubt itte sir.
You are in 12th alva?
Yes sir.
ನಿನಗೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಇದೆ, ಹೇಳು ಏನ್ ಡೌಟ್?
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ನವೆಂಬರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಗುತ್ತದೆ?
ನವೆಂಬರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಾಕು. ಯು ಆರ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ 12th ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಹೌದು ಸರ್.
All 12th standard people, your time limit, so up to January, but my suggestion, do by November, December, so that you'll get the books and then you can fully focus on 12th exam from January. So your time limit up to January for June examination, and hence you can always register anytime before December. Okay, na?
Okay sir. Thank you.
Yes, thank you. Anybody else? Any other question? Trisha Shetra? And anybody has any doubt? That's it. So can we conclude? So I hope to see all of you, because that will be around half an hour detailed session on CA curriculum. Okay. So how CA can be made so easy. Okay. And how the class happens. We'll have a session on Tuesday. Don't miss it. Tuesday evening, 7:30. Okay. So thank you all. Thank you, Vishruta, and thank you, Rutvik, for the PPT what is prepared. And thank you, Manayar madam, and thank you everyone. God bless you all. Thank you. Keep laughing, keep enjoying, keep smiling.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you sir.
Thanks.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.